Adams, board certified chiropractor here in Texas, and today we're going to be talking about the thyroid metabolism. Okay, first thing you need to know about the thyroid metabolism is you have the first two glands, which is the hypothalamus and pituitary, and they're located inside the brain, pretty much right behind the eyes. Okay, the hypothalamus's job is to send out those sensory signals and get a feel for the thyroid hormone levels inside the body. So the hypothalamus, when it senses low thyroid hormone, sends out a hormone called thyrotropin releasing hormone. So that in turn stimulates your pituitary gland to send down the famous TSH. And TSH is what most doctors will test for on blood work, so it should be pretty common or familiar if you've been suffering with thyroid problems for quite a while. The next thing TSH will do, it goes down to your actual thyroid gland and stimulates your thyroid gland to release the hormones T4 and T3, which are your thyroid hormone. Alright, now when your thyroid releases these hormones, 90% of it, around 93%, is T4. And then the other 7% is T3. Your body only uses T3. So T4 is pretty much useless unless it can convert over to T3. So your body is, the next step it does is it sends T4 out to certain areas of the body to get converted. One of the areas is the liver. This is where 60% of the conversion of T4 to T3 happens. So your body sends it out, it goes over to the liver. The liver uses a certain enzyme that takes off an iodine molecule, and then you have T3. So what does that mean? It means if your liver is not working very well, then you're going to see a little bit of your thyroid hormone conversion drop off. So you might have a little bit less T3 inside your body. Okay, so what else? Your thyroid then sends more T4 over to your gut. So right here in the small intestine is where another 20% of the T4 to T3 conversion happens. Now, in today's society, you hear a lot of people with constipation, diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease. These are all diseases or problems with the gut. So most of America, especially with today's diet, the standard American diet or other known as SAD, probably are not converting that 20% either. So, you know, with the toxic accumulation, you're kind of dropping off the 60%. Today's the standard American diet now decreases another 20%. Ooh, so you got 20% left. So the rest of the 20% just happens out in the peripheral of the cells. Now, when your body's inflamed due to chronic infection, chronic pain, anything that is stimulating an inflammatory response, you're going to see another decrease of that thyroid hormone happen in just the peripheral of your cells. So, what do most doctors do? So, most doctors run pretty much the TSH on your blood work. TSH, maybe a T3, maybe a T4, just depending on what kind of doctor it is. So, when they sense a low TSH or a high TSH, what they say is, okay, it looks like you're having hypothyroid symptoms. So what they're going to do is they're going to give you a drug, mostly Synthroid, Armour, or levothyroxine, some sort of drug like that. And the mechanism and how it works is right here. It works right on this pathway. So you can see that you're missing the conversion in the liver, the gut, the peripheral of the cells. But what if your problem is here, in the brain? If the problem's in the brain, the pill that you may be taking is not going to increase your TSH. You're still going to have all your problems, all your symptoms, and the whole reason you went to the doctor in the first place is going to remain. So in our office, what we like to do, and this is why we're so successful, we work using brain-based therapies. So we make sure we work with the brain. We address brain issues. We stimulate weakened brain areas. So we find those out with our exam, consultation, and just the whole process that we go through. The next thing we do is we assess your liver function, your gut function, the state of inflammation of your body. We help with toxic accumulation. So we use a holistic approach and not just a targeted, let's increase your TSH using one single drug. Because the thyroid, more than likely, is a combination of so many different things and not just a thyroid problem. This is what a lot of people just don't quite understand when it comes to working with thyroid conditions. to see if we can help you with any of the issues that you're currently having, whether it be with your thyroid or some other set of symptoms. All you got to do is sign up to my left here on the box on the website, and that way one of my wonderful staff members can give you a call to set you up for a consultation in our office. Now this consultation is only going to cost you $60. Now $60 is going to be a discounted fee for signing up on this website. So take advantage of this, and then as soon as you sign up, we'll get you into the office and we'll see if we can help you regain your life.